Topic 5. Describe transformations between two shapes. So we are talking about rotation, reflection, translation, and dilation. Okay. Question number 1. Describe a sequence of transformations that will map figure A to figure A dash. So here we have figure A and we're going to figure A dash. So straight away I can see this is a rotation because this shape has been turned. So I'm going to write rotation. How much has it been turned? Well, if we look here, it's been rotated 90 degrees. Okay, so rotation 90 degrees. And we have to say the direction. So are we going clockwise or anti-clockwise? So we can see from this shape, it has been turned this way. This is clockwise. So 90 degrees clockwise. And the final thing we have to say, from which point was it rotated? So if I look at this point here on this shape, if I rotate it from this point, if I keep my pen here and turn the shape will end up being here. So this is not correct. Okay. Now I'm looking at this point of the shape and this point of the shape. It's the same point. Roughly in between, in the middle, is this point, the origin, 0, 0. And I can check if I rotate this shape by holding my point here and turning this way, it's going to be this shape. So this is the correct point, the origin. Okay, from the origin, which is 0, 0. Okay, so rotation 90 degrees clockwise from the origin. Question 2. The triangles shown are similar. So these two triangles are similar. They are not congruent because they are not the same size, but they are similar. Which series of transformations maps triangle ABC onto triangle DEF? So here we have triangle ABC, and here we have triangle DEF. We have to say, how did we get from this triangle to this triangle? Okay, so the first thing I can see, triangle was moved. It was translated. So I will write translation. Translation. Then, after the translation, the triangle got bigger. It changed size. It got bigger. So this is dilation. Then dilation. So first it was translation, then dilation. Okay. Question number 3. The figure below shows the translation of a triangle in a plane. So a triangle was translated. It was moved. Which of the following statements is true? So we need to check which one is true. Okay. So statement A, sentence A. Corresponding sides of the triangle are congruent. Congruent means the same. Okay, so the sides are the same. So let's check. Is this side the same as this side? Yes. Is this side congruent or the same as this side? Yes. Is this side congruent to this side? Yes. So this one is true. A is true. B, the triangles were also reflected across the y-axis. Where is the y-axis? Here. Was it reflected in the y-axis? No. So this one is false. C, corresponding angles of the triangle are not congruent. So not the same. So let's look at the angles. Is this angle congruent or the same to this angle? Yes. This angle the same as this angle? Yes. This angle congruent to this angle? Yes. So they are congruent. This is saying it is not congruent. So it is false. Part D, the triangles were also reflected across the x-axis. Okay, so here the x-axis is here. Was the triangle reflected in the x-axis? It looks like it might be, but if we look carefully, no, it was not. Because if we have a triangle here and it was reflected in the x-axis, it would be upside down. It would look like this. But this is not reflected. This was moved. It was translated. So this is false. Okay. Question number 4. A square with vertices 3, 3, 6, 3, 3, 6, and 6, 6 is dilated, change size, by a factor of 1/3. Okay, 1/3, centered at the origin. Which of the following is one of the vertices of the new square? So we have to take our points. We have 3, 3, 6, 3, 3, 6, and 6, 6. And we have to times them by 1/3, times it by a third. If we times by 1/3, it's the same as dividing by 3, okay? Times by 1/3 or divide by 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. Divide by 3, 1, okay? 6 divided by 3, 2. 3 divided by 3, 1. 1, 6, 2. 6 divided by 3, 2. 2. So these are our new points. The question is saying which of the following is one of the points or one of the vertices of the new square. Okay, so 0, 1, nope, we don't have 0, 1. 2, 0, we don't have 2, 0. 1, 3, we don't have 1, 3. And 2, 2, yes, we have 2, 2 here. So 2, 2, D is the answer.